Kita mula dengan umur kita Al-Fatihah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim Okay, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Okay, so you have done the assignments. Okay, saya ada yang tanya, cikgu, kami cikgu hantar 2 kali. Memang saya hantar 2 kali untuk kelas-kelas lain sebab saya penyelaras. You all buat pada kelas you all saja. Senang saya nak tanda nanti. Buat you all buat sekali je, buat pada kelas awak je, sama ada awak buat dua engineering atau so I will go very fast on this topic because this is a very easy topic, and then you have carried out you have done the quiz. Okay, so what is an atom? Atom is originate from the word indivisible. Okay, so and then you need to know what John Dalton says. Okay, John Dalton talk about Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, you need to know Dalton's atomic theory, and it says that atom is the smallest particle and cannot be further divided. However, after some time, scientists found protons, electrons, and neutrons. So it is after Dalton's atomic theory, atom is not the smallest. The smallest is electron. Okay, and then what else we have watched? Structure of atom. Okay, so atom has atom we have positively charged particle called proton, negatively charged particle called electron, and then we have a neutral particle which is called neutron. So these are all so proton and neutron is at the nucleus. So other names of it is nucleon. Do you write notes? Okay. So kalau boleh tulis nota lah ya. Jangan dengar je. Macam tadi form 1 saya buat discussion. Bila tanya balik soalan, so tak ada orang boleh jawab. Okay, recall the 3 subatomic. So this is what we call as subatomic particles. Okay, and then an atom is a neutral because the number of proton is the same as the number of electrons. Okay, and then formation of positive ions and negative ion. How is positive ion formed? How is a negative ion formed? Okay, when an atom loses or gains electrons, we have ions. Okay, when do we have ions? When atom loses or gains electrons. So first one, let's look at cation. When do we have cation? So cation means positive. Cation, positive. Okay, so when do we have positive ion? It is when we lose electrons. Okay, this is an example. Okay, tengok electrons. Okay, first we have at the beginning we have sodium. Okay, and at the beginning electrons we have 11 electrons, 11 protons. So this one is neutral. Okay, but after and then we lose 1 electron. When we lose 1 electron, so this one becomes sodium ion. Okay, sodium ion, and now we have positive 1 charge. Okay, then we have negative ion, or we call anion. Okay, so anion ada simbol negative. Okay, right. So when do we have anion? When we gain electrons. Okay, so this is example. Let's say first we have chlorine atom. It is a neutral atom. So this neutral atom, the number of protons equal to the number of electrons. So no charge. But it gains electron. When it gains electron, the extra electron, extra electron compared to proton. So now we have chloride ion, which is anion. Okay, negative charge. Periodic table.
Yes.
In chemistry, right? You learn this in chemistry. So
Yes.
kita belajar physics, physics, chemistry. Okay, so radioactivity. So and then we now we are going to look at ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation. So kenapa? How do we get ni? Helium jadi apa? Neon, neon jadi argon, argon krypton, ataupun macam mana boron becomes carbon. Okay, ataupun ya apa-apa lah ni, dia warna palladium become silver and so on and so forth. How they change? Okay, kuasa Tuhan lah kan. Itu kuasa Allah lah, kuasa Tuhan yang buat semua tu. But you have to be able to explain sebab Allah dah bagi kita ilmu. Now it's our turn to study and understand it. Okay, and then we can apply this in our daily life ataupun in our daily situations. So ionizing radiation, what is it? Radioactive radiation passes through air. Okay, so air. So now there is air around you. Betul tak? Sekeliling kita ada air. But some of the airs are atoms ataupun in particle neutrally charged, okay, no charge, but some becomes positive, some becomes negative ions. Why? Because radiation happens. Okay, so this is an example. Okay, so this is radioactive radiation as ionizing radiation. So we have neutral air molecules here. So here we have 1, 2, for example lah, 4, 5 particles, and they are neutral, no charge. So katalah tiba-tiba ada alpha particles, okay, pass through them. Okay, what happened? The alpha particle ionized the air. So when the alpha particle ionized the air, so what happened to the neutral air molecules? They become ionized and now they are charged. Okay, so we have negative charge and some of them are positively charged. Okay, so this is non-ionizing radiation example. Okay, ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation in an electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, so non-ionizing radiation has very low frequency wave. Okay, example radio, infrared, okay, microwave. Okay, visible light can be ionized. Okay, the example ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma rays. Okay, so this one is your activity to do together with your friends. Okay, I want you to, okay, in groups, okay, okay, so saya bagi sedikit je lah information ni, types of ionizing radiation, okay, and then penetrating power, okay, macam mana you can explain deflection, macam mana, okay, and then deflection by magnetic field. Ionizing radiation, okay, so this is what I asked you to do just now, okay, types of ionizing radiation. So we have alpha radiation, we have beta, so this is how you write beta, and this is gamma, so this is how you write gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma. So, okay, last time we have talked a little bit about them, okay. So, alpha is a nucleus and the name of the nucleus is helium. Okay, what is beta? Beta is a high-speed electron. Okay, when you are asked what is electron, what is beta, you must mention this term. Allah. You must mention it is a high-speed electron. Mesti sebut. You cannot just mention, you cannot just say it is an electron. Okay. So, and then gamma, what is it? It is an electromagnetic wave. Okay. Gamma is an magnetic wave. Okay. And then they have charge. What is the charge of alpha? So alpha is a positive charge, okay, particle. Beta is a negative charge particle, and gamma is neutral. Okay, and then all of them have ionizing power. So do you understand ionizing just now? Tadi kita bincang what is ionizing. So do you understand what is ionizing? They
Yes.
ionize. So these substances, they ionize apa? They ionize.
Ionizing.
Dia ionize apa? Alpha ni ionize apa? Beta ni ionize apa? Gamma ionize apa?
Air.
Yes, they ionize the air. Air daripada neutral becomes sama ada positively charged ataupun negatively charged.
Negative.
Tu.
Touch.
Air tu yang diionizkan. So, ionizing power of alpha very high, okay, beta moderate and gamma is very low. And then penetrating power, okay, what is penetrating power? So, penetrating power, so this is the example. Okay, let's say I have a paper, I have aluminium, I have lead. Paper, a piece of paper. Aluminium is 3 millimeters. Nipis je ya, 3 millimeters only. And then lead 10 centimeters. Tebal. Now, so this is a radioactive source. So if this is the radioactive source, okay. So nampak what happen if we have gamma ray? Jadi pada gamma ray, which one is the gamma ray? The red one or the blue ones?
Blue.
The blue one.
Gamma.
Blue.
Red. Blue.
So this is gamma ray ni nampak tak ni? Gamma ray. Tu gamma tak salah. Ni gamma. Nampak tak gamma?
Tak. Nampak.
Okay, so gamma, what happened to the gamma ray? Dia boleh tembus semua, betul tak?
Tak.
Gamma ray
Yes.
can pass through paper, it can pass through aluminium, but it can be stopped by lead. But make sure the lead is 10 centimeters. Kalau lead tu is just 1 centimeter, maybe gamma also. Okay, because gamma is very powerful, very strong, penetrating power. Penetrate tu tembus. Ni, tembus. It can penetrate. Okay, and then this one yang bigger ni, yang gemuk ni, bigger ni is alpha. Because alpha has alpha particle, okay, you need to know alpha particle. Kalau we talk about the mass, it is the heaviest. Okay, heavy, but beta, light, very ringan, gamma, no mass. Okay, sebenarnya saya dah jawapan dah kat you all yang you all kena bentang ni saya dah bagi jawapan dah. Kalau tak dengar ataupun tidur-tidur baring-baring sambil dengar ni memang tak boleh jawab lah. Okay, so this is alpha. Kenapa dia dilukis besar? Because it has bigger mass. Okay, and then the smaller one, this one, beta. Okay, and then if you look at alpha, letak paper je, it is stopped. Dia dah tak boleh pass through dah. Because it is very large and it has very small penetrating power. But if you look at electron, it can pass through paper. But if you put aluminium, it is stopped by the aluminium. Why? Because penetrating power of beta is moderate. Okay, and then the next characteristic we have to know is deflection. What is deflection? Deflection tu dia pembengkukan. Okay, so kalau saya ada radioactive source, sepatutnya, okay, without electric field, tanpa ini, without electric field, what you will see, dia akan semua akan terus dia tegak. Alpha macam tu, beta begitu, gamma. However, deflection happens. Kenapa deflection berlaku? Because there is electric field. Mana electric field? This one. So this one negatively charged. This one plate ni kita jadikan dia positive charge. Kita sambung lah. Kita sambung ni pada ni kan. Negative, positive. Negative, positive. Positive for example. So kita ada negative dan positive macam tu. So the plates are charged and then so we have electric field kat sini. So what do you see in the drawing? What do you see? How do you describe what you see?
Deflection.
Okay, how about the deflection? Describe the deflection. Which one deflects the most?
Y. Gamma ray.
Which one deflect the most?
Alpha. Alpha.
Gamma ni
Alpha.
deflect ke? Okay, gamma ni deflect ke? Tak kan? Okay, alpha ke yang the most?
Tak. Alpha.
Okay, dia macam ni tau. Kalau ada, okay, this is sepatutnya semua straight kan? Okay, so straight ni 0 degree. Okay, kalau awak letak protector, okay, so awak letak protector kat sini. Okay, kalau sini 0, sini berapa? 10, for example, this one 20, this one 30, sebelah sini 90 degree. Do you understand what I'm drawing, what I'm doing now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm trying to explain apa maksudnya deflection more ni. So, tengok sini. Okay, if the deflection is like this, what is the angle?
10.
10. Kalau deflection dia begini, what is the angle? More than 30 kan? Let's say
Yes.
so which one has higher deflection? A or B? A or B?
Beta.
Kalau gambar yang saya lukis ni.
Oh,
B kan?
beta.
B because B the angle is 40 degree. Nampak? Angle is only 10. So A dia punya deflection is less deflected. Kalau yang di sini, line sini, no deflection at all because it is 0 degree. Do you understand?
Yes.
So, back to this alpha, beta and gamma. So, which is deflected the most?
Beta.
Beta lah. Okay,
Beta.
so the angle is bigger. Angle dia bigger, besar. Kan, daripada line straight tu, ini angle dia. Compared to alpha, this is only the angle. Kan? Alright, so now you have to ask lah, kenapa alpha has less deflection compared to beta?
Yes.
Sebab
Cuba tanya kawan sebelah.
Sebab the degree kan. The
Okay, degree tu
angle.
effect dia. Angle tu effect dia. Kenapa? What makes the angle that big? What is the characteristic? What is the characteristic of beta particle that enables it to deflect more? Apa beza antara apa beza antara alpha, beta and gamma? Which
Kalau beta dia high speed.
Yes.
Kalau beta dia high speed.
Okay.
Kalau alpha dia helium nucleus.
Okay, so kenapa dia deflect?
Beta ni dia punya speed kot.
Okay, thank you very much. Ada kawan awak, I wish, siapa tu? Saya nak bagi hadiah ni, siapa yang participate banyak-banyak kali kan, yang bagi presentation bagus, nak bagi hadiah apa hantar kat Panda Rumah awak ada tak Panda? Kalau ada bolehlah saya hantar hadiah, kalau tak ada tak dapat lah kan. Okay, siapa participate lah, siapa tak participate lah, tak payah. Okay, okay, kenapa Kenapa tak jawab lagi jawapan tu? Agaknya cuba teka. Awak tak tahu sebab awak tak belajar lagi. Now I want you to think, and which one do you think is the cause? The deflection.
Rasanya dia punya penetration, sebab kalau nak tengok penetration for alpha dia low, lepas tu dia heavy. Macam itulah.
Ini tak ada penetrating apa-apa kan?
Ionising power tu.
Cuba lagi.
Ionising power.
Ada yang dah kata speed, ada yang dah kata penetrating power. Lagi. Apa lagi?
Ionising.
Yeah? So here are the characteristics. Okay, which of the characteristic gives us this result? Ciri mana yang memberikan kita result ni?
Change of particle.
You don't know. Okay, yang lain yang nak teka lagi, siapa lagi nak teka? Which?
Change of particle.
Ionising power.
Ionizing power.
Okay. Okay, ada yang kata speed, dah ada yang cakap ionizing power, ada pula yang cakap penetrating power. Ada lagi tak jawapan lain?
Tak ada.
Ada tu yang senyap sunyi tu. Cepatlah apa jawapan dia. Cuba fikir lagi, adalah betul ke, confirm ke jawapan kawan awak tu? Yang lain tak nak participate. Saya nak dengar dah jawapan.
Ionizing power.
Okay, ada yang kata ionizing power. Sharifah Nadia, what do you think?
Ionising power.
Ionizing power juga. Okay.
Ionizing power.
Nyam. Siapa lagi? Budak lelaki ramai yang tak ada on
Rasa mesti
Devika Sri. Devika Sri, what do you think? What causes the deflection big or small?
Ionizing power.
Aisyah kata beta deflected more the charge of particle. Okay, ada yang kata Aisyah kata charge of particle. Devika cakap apa?
I think ionizing power kot.
Ionizing power. Okay, Arif, what do you think? Arif, what do you think? Kenapa dia deflect more ataupun less? What causes it? Apa yang menyebabkan dia deflect more, deflect less? Tiba-tiba cikgu tanya kan, baru bangun ni. Okay, so the answer is?
Ionizing power.
Ionizing power.
The answer is?
Charge of particle.
Power.
Charge of particle.
The answer is? Come on. The answer is here. Ada kat dalam ni. Mana satu jawapan dia? Mana satu dalam banyak ni? The answer is?
rasa math cikgu math.
Ionizing
Yes. The mass. Yay, siapa jawab betul tu? Okay, the answer is the mass. Mass ni, okay, sebabkan alpha ni is very heavy. Tak larat nak jalan laju, kan? It's very heavy. Dia nak deflect sikit je dia deflect. But beta ni is very LIGHT. So dia because of its mass, okay? Now, kenapa dia deflect to why alpha deflected up? Beta deflected downwards for this diagram.
It's weapon.
Yeah? For this diagram, why is it alpha pointing upwards, beta downwards? Alia Yasmin. Why? Kenapa? Idin Syahir. Idin, are you here, Idin? Pakai tudung semua. Cepat. Pakai tudung, nak suruh buka kamera ni. Okay, Idin. Kenapa Idin? Kenapa beta pointing downwards? Kenapa alpha upward? Okay, tadi kita cakap pasal deflection kan? Angle of deflection. Okay, angle of deflection. What do we say just now? Angle of deflection is determined by?
Mass.
By the mass. So, which one is heavy? Heavy sikit je deflection. Okay, and then now I'm asking you direction dia. Why is direction alpha to upwards? Kenapa? Alah, tak nak mencubalah you all ni. Direction of deflection is determined by? Yeah?
The mass.
Takkan mass juga.
The speed.
Direction, dengar macam direction. Kenapa dia ke atas?
The
Ya.
charge.
Different charge.
Charge of particle. Charge of particle.
Jawab tu. Tahniah. Pandai pun. Boleh pun. Bagi idea. Aiman. Aiman.
Tak, orang lain dulu.
Siapa yang answer tadi? Okay, thank you.
Saya
Right.
saya.
So, siapa tu saya? Saya tak nampak lah. Tak keluar pula
Spin.
mukanya. Selalu yang siapa bercakap keluar muka. Tapi semua huruf je kan. Letaklah gambar you all ni. Okay. So the direction is determined by the charge lah. Of course lah. Alpha ni, what is the charge on alpha?
Positif.
Helium ni positif. Alpha ni positif. So positive will always attracted to
Negatif.
negative. Beta ni negative. Electrons negative. So in an electron attracted to positive.
Positif.
So you need to be able to explain those things ya. Itu semua awak kena tahulah. It's just not, awak kena tahu draw. You need, bila draw tu awak kena pastikan angle awak, siapa besar siapa kecil. So ini pun boleh jadi soalan. And then not only angle, you need to know why less angle, more angle, and then you need to know why is it up, why is it down. Okay, and finally this one, deflection by magnetic field. So tadi kita ada kawasan field tu, kawasan region. Kalau awak main bola sepak, awak main dekat padang kan. So field ni, field tadi kita ada electric field. But now we have magnetic field. Okay, ada magnet, so magnet. So if you have magnet only, so magnetic field is north to south. Betul tak? What happen bila kita ada radioactive source? So bila ada radioactive source, so you tengok alpha, it goes up. Beta, so gamma, it goes straight. Goes down. So how do you know this one? Okay, macam ni kita tentukan. Okay, first, why is gamma only straight line? Kenapa dia pergi tak pergi mana-mana straight? Because gamma is
Neutral.
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 Okay, sekarang ni this is magnet, bukan electric lagi. Tapi this one, it is positive. So when it is positive, okay, so sebenarnya awak can you see me? Awak nampak tak saya dekat screen?
Tak.
So saya tak ada dah
Tak.
So I will discard. Okay, saya nak Okay, so now, now you tengok Okay, tengok screen, tengok saya punya tangan. Okay, sekarang ni saya guna jari tangan kiri. Okay, di saya ada dua tangan. Okay, this one left hand. Okay, my left hand. Nampak? Okay, awak pun keluarkan tangan kiri awak sekarang. And do this. Okay, nampak tak saya buat apa? Okay, my thumb. Okay, tulis dekat your thumb ni. F. Tulis F dekat your thumb. F. Penting tangan tu. F. F for force. Okay. And then jari ni keluarkan begini. Nampak bentuk L. Bukan loser. L. So here your index finger ni awak tulis. Tulis apa? South. S. S for south. Are you doing it, girls, boys?
Yes.
Okay, boleh tak buka kamera? Siapa yang ada kamera boleh tak buka kamera? Kita buat sama-sama. Okay, next. Cuba buka kamera. Tengok you all okay tak? Okay. Yang lelaki yang masalah, buka je lah kamera kejap. Tak ada data. Perempuan saya faham dah juga kan. Baru nak ambil tudung apa semua. Okay lah, anyway. Okay, tunjukkan yang awak tengah buat tangan tu lah. Kan? Okay, tak ada tu. Okay. Right, so and then your ni, middle finger. So middle finger tulis C. C for current. Ataupun I lah. C for current. Ataupun I lah kan. Okay, thank you Jasmira. Dia dengar saya cakap, dia buka. Yang lain tak nak dengar. Tak ada ke tidak tu. So, bila kita ada begini, so you do your hand like this. Okay. Okay, nampak pergerakan tangan saya semua bergerak. Okay, semua tu, okay, tangan awak tu tak boleh macam mana? Tangan awak tu awak jangan usik dia. Kedudukan dia kena sama, which is perpendicular to each other. Okay, this one perpendicular. This one perpendicular. Yang hanya awak gerakkan ialah pergelangan tangan sahaja. Now what? Okay, now look at the diagram dekat my screen ni. Ada diagram deflection of magnetic field tu. Okay, pergi dekat situ. Okay. So sekarang ni ambil jari yang tulis S, south. Tunjuk pada south sekarang. So sekarang ni saya tengah tunjuk south ke situ because on my screen, south masuk ke arah screen saya. Betul tak? Okay, and then current. So ini jari ni for current, betul? Okay, awak buat juga kalau awak tak buat, awak tak faham benda saya buat ni. So kalau awak buat sekali sebab kita jauh, kita di alam maya kan. Jadi awak kena tu. So yang ni current. Okay, so this is current. Okay, current ni saya buat, okay. Mana current kita? Okay, sekarang ni saya nak tahu beta. So untuk beta, sekarang ni beta ke bawah. Beta ke bawah kan? Okay, apa arah beta? Okay, force. Okay, beta ke bawah. F tu daya. Force tu ke bawah. Jadi masih lagi pergerakan tangan macam ni. Cuma saya gerakkan je. Saya gerakkan. Okay, yang ni tak bergerak. Okay, force yang bergerak. Force tu bergerak ke bawah, ke bawah, ke bawah, ke bawah. So my force sekarang ke bawah. So nampak tak jari ni? Jari ni tunjuk arah mana? Ke kiri saya kan? Betul tak? Jari ni ke arah sana, betul? So apa tu? Itu yang menunjukkan arah current. So ini arah current. So current kita this way. Jadi kalau current, okay, awak dah belajar tajuk elektrik. Okay, tajuk elektrik kalau ini positif current, lepas tu ini bulb contoh. Okay, so current this way kan, daripada positif ke negatif kan. Okay. So, tapi sekarang ni, ini beta. Beta tu elektron. Kalau awak tengok pada ni, okay, kalau awak tengok pada diagram yang saya lukis ni, current this way. So, tapi arah elektron ke arah mana? Elektron arah mana? Mana arah elektron dalam lukisan saya tu? Kalau ini arah current, elektron mana? Elektron dari negatif ke positif, bertentangan. Faham tak? Do you understand? Kita ada dua arah ni. Satu conventional current. Conventional current positive to negative terminal. Tapi if you are asked about electron, electron travels from negative terminal to positive terminal. So dia terbalik. Understand? Jadi, bila awak buat jari ni tadi, okay, elektron, okay, sekarang ni ini arah current. Current ke arah belakang. But electron mesti opposite. Jadi, kat mana elektron? So, this is the direction of electron. Okay, so harapnya faham lah tu. Now, let's tengok balik, okay. So, that's how we determine. Okay, sama ada beta tu ke bawah ataupun ke atas. We use Fleming's. Apa yang kita buat tadi ialah Fleming's left hand rule. We use Fleming's left hand rule to determine the direction of deflection of beta and alpha. Okay, ada soalan?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Faham? Do you know apa yang kita buat tadi? Faham? So kalau faham, okay. Bolehlah kita jawab soalan next time. Alright? So hari ni sampai sini sahaja. Okay, saya nak tanya soalan lah, boleh?
Boleh.
Okay, first
Boleh.
question. Okay, first question. Okay. What is the meaning of ionising?
Passes through air.
Okay, passes through air. Okay, tapi tak berapa tepat. Siapa nak tolong tambah?
Radioactive radiation passes through air and produces positive and negative ion.
Okay, positive and negative ion. Okay, air is ionized. Okay. Next. Okay, next question. Mana nama-nama student ni? Okay, Alvi Michelle. Are you here, Alvi? Alvi Michelle? If you compare between alpha, beta and gamma, which one has highest penetrating power? Michelle is not here. Anik Zahin? If you compare between alpha, beta and gamma, which one has the highest penetrating power? Anik? Anik pun tak online. Dia check in saja. Pergi mana tak tahu. Respon lah. Okay, Farah Farzana. Which one has the highest penetrating power?
Gamma.
Okay, gamma. Thank you. Okay, Adam Caspian. Are you here, Adam?
Ya, saya cikgu.
Adam, which one has the highest ionizing power?
Alpha.
Alpha particle. Okay, thank you. Alright, so what else can we okay, what is the meaning of cation, Adriana? Aiman Daniel, what is the meaning of cation?
Positive ion.
Positive ion. Cation is a positive ion. Okay, betul. Okay, how come it becomes positive ion? Nurina Amira. Nurina Amira, how come it becomes positive ion? Amira? What makes it become daripada neutral becomes positive? What happened? Why?
When
Ngantuk? Orang sedang. Hey. Fauzi, kenapa dia jadi positive ion? Fauzi tak ada. Danish. Anyone wants to help?
Me.
Yeah, Akmal. Yes, why?
When the neutron is high, number of neutron is higher than proton.
Neutron?
Number of proton I do what?
Neutron ke electron?
Electron.
Electron is
Higher.
Electron.
higher ke?
Electron low. Electron lower.
Electron less. Bila electron less? Okay, sekejap saya tunjuk kat sini. Lah you on ni. Saya tanya tadi macam mana cation terhasil, betul?
Betul.
Yes.
So kawan awak tadi dah jawab cation produce when the atom becomes positively charged. And then I ask you, how come it become positive charge? What happened to it?
It lose
Dia
electron.
daripada
It
neutral,
lose electron.
dia loses ke dia gain electrons?
User.
Loses electrons. Bila loses electrons, it becomes positive charge, and that is what we call as cation. Okay. Boleh? Tivia? Okay, Tivia, faham?
Boleh.
Alright, so see you next class. Don't